So let me ask you a question. Do you have a story in your head that goes something like this? I can't go and do the things that I want to do because it would take up too much time, it would take money away from the family, and my wife wouldn't like it. Do you have that story? Do you have that story in your mind? Do you also have the frustration and resentment and feeling of being trapped, of not having options, that other people are in control of your life? I know you do. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you have those thoughts and those feelings. I know because I had those thoughts and feelings as well. And I created that story for myself out of a place of scarcity and lack and fear. And then I projected that onto my wife, and I made her responsible for my happiness. In fact, I blamed her for my discontent, my unhappiness. And so if you're finding yourself in this place, I can tell you as someone who's been there, that kind of thinking, that kind of suffering actually kills the intimacy and connection in your relationship, because no matter how well you think you're hiding it, your wife can feel it. She can feel your frustration. She can feel your disapproval, your disappointment, and it feels very unloving to her. And it's killing the connection in your life. She doesn't understand why she's feeling it, but she knows it's not comfortable, and she knows she wants to get away from it. And what she needs you to do is she needs you to be honest with yourself. She needs you to be honest with her about what it is that you want to do. And she needs you to lead yourself. She needs you to lead yourself and her to a new version of the relationship, one where you're honest about what it is that you want to do, and one where she can be honest about what it is that she wants to do or not do. So if you want to go someplace and you want to travel and she doesn't want to go with you, it doesn't necessarily mean that there's a relationship problem. It just means that you are two individuals who have different interests, and that you are going to take ownership of your happiness, and you're going to go out and do things. You're going to see things. You're going to eat food and talk to people and have experiences. And you're going to come home and bring all of that energy and vibrancy and connection back into your relationship, and you're going to feel like you can have options, you can do things, and that you're in control of your life. And I guarantee you that's going to create intimacy and connection in your marriage, in your relationship, in your romantic relationship like no other. It's also going to spill over into your relationship with your kids, your coworkers, your family, your friends, everybody that you interact with and meet, because you're going to walk taller, you're going to feel happier, you're actually going to have more energy in your body, and you're going to feel like you have a sense of freedom that you don't have right now. How do I know that? I know that because I told myself these stories. I felt those limitations. I felt the frustrations, and I blamed other people for it. I created those stories, I believed them, and then I projected them onto other people, and I believed them. And my relationship, my family suffered. I suffered as a result of it. So if you want to talk about that, reach out. Let's have a conversation about it. I've put a link in the description. You can come over to my men's community and we can have a conversation there. We help men, I help men unravel this hairball for themselves, because they don't have to feel trapped. We can lead ourselves to a 2.0 version of life, of relationship, where we put aside money, we put aside time, and we are honest about what it is that we want to experience in our life. And we go from feeling like victims, powerless victims who don't have options. We go from that to being creators in our life, creators of happiness, creators of connection, creators of freedom, creators of intimacy in our relationship. So reach out. All right, brother, that's what the message that I have for you today. Get out there and explore, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.